Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Pulsar Premium Power M. So basically, it was my birthday like a few weeks ago, and my friend at school he offered to magnetize and set up one of my cubes. So I gave him my stock bulk power. Oh yeah, and also to switch the springs since this has the normal springs. So yeah, I'm just gonna be unboxing that and comparing it with my current main bulk power M that has pretty much just break-in and a little bit of bad lubing. So it's right there, it says VPM01, I guess, and that means bulk power M number 1. Okay, I don't know how this packaging works. That's a nice bag. So this is L Cesta. Well, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but okay. Is there anything else in the packaging? Oh yes, there definitely is. There's a card and more springs. That's it. Speed Cube Shop business card. And some springs. I guess they're the hard springs. Okay. So it feels pretty sluggish just by the turn of how hard it is to make a turn. Let's see the check tensions. So this is about my tensions and these are his tensions. Not too different. Obviously this is it turns looser because it's more broken in. Let's just get into first turns. Okay, so it's right now it's very sluggish and slow and pretty hard to turn, but that's with pretty much all pre-set up cubes, and I'm sure that'll break in with maybe a couple hundred solves at best. Yeah, it's the actual feeling behind just the slowness. And it feels really soft, even softer than the original bulk power. That's really soft. I guess that's what happens when you have soft springs that just scramble this. Good. I guess I'll do my first solve now. Won't time it though. Okay. Yeah, it's I can't really judge it that much right now because of how slow it is. But yeah, I think I feel it breaking a little bit. It's hardly noticeable, but yeah. Okay. OH solve maybe. Probably be painful though with how currently slow it is. Not that bad, all things considered. Alright, so I'm sure this will be an amazing cube once it's been broken in. It's already pretty smooth. And I guess that's what, of course the bulk power is a smooth cube, but that's probably due in some part to the softer springs, because like these springs, I mean this cube is really soft and smooth. It's going to be very pleasant to solve, I feel. Oh no, I've had that scramble before. One more solve. Okay, so yeah, this seems to perform pretty good themselves. We'll have to do an actual session first. So yeah, not obviously not as good as my Power M right out of the box, but I think it has potential to become just as good as, if not better than, the original Power, especially with the springs. So yeah, if you enjoyed, make sure you click the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.